Hey friends, so May 24th, this Saturday, is the feast of the equal to Apostles, Cyril and Methodius, and let's just really quick learn the Troparion for the feast for equal to Apostles, Cyril and Methodius, and this Troparion is sang on tone 4. And so let's see how we're supposed to sing on tone 4.
Divinely wise Cyril and Methodius, equals to the apostles and teachers of the Slavs, entreat the Master of all to strengthen all nations in Orthodoxy and unity of mind, to grant peace to the world and to save our souls.
I haven't found any recordings of the Troparion in English on YouTube or on internet, but then just to see how it's sung in the church, let's just listen for how it's sung in Russian, in Church Slavonic, okay? So here's the Church Slavonic version.
Яко апостолом единонравни, и словенские страноучители, Кирилле и Мефодии богомудри, владыко всех молите, вся языки словенские утвердите, православие